Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to become a Certified TiDB Practitioner Certification 2026. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to how to get this certification. So this is a 100% free Certified TiDB Practitioner Certification 2026. And first question in our mind that what is TiDB? So TiDB is an open source distributed SQL database that support the hybrid transaction and analytical processing that called the HTAP with the horizontal scalability and high availability. So certified TiDB practitioner, that is the free beginner certifications is there. So unlock your TiDB career and learn fundamental, pass the certifications and boost your tech careers. So in this video, we'll go through the everything about the TiDB practitioner is a credential, and this is the entry level certification from the PingCAP, and this is the design for the beginner who wants to demonstrate their understanding of the TiDB architecture, key concept and real use cases. So what you will learn on this video? So what is the certified TiDB practitioner certification is and who it for, exam detail, format, duration and delivery and scoring, how to prepare, self-paced course and hands-on lab, and what you will get recognized certificate and LinkedIn page and tips to pass and build your TiDB foundation. So certification highlights is that this is the free and beginner friendly, no prerequisites are required, 50 minutes online exam, multiple choice question format, and validate your knowledge to TiDB basic, STEP architecture and terminology and use cases. So ideal start point and before associate and professional certification. So there is other certifications there. Associate level certification price is $100 and professional certifications is $240. So we can start the TiDB journey today and master distributed SQL with the confidence. So this is the official link. We'll go through this link. So here we can see there is a register option is there. Prepare for the exam and exam details will be there. So exam format 20 questions, multiple level question you will get. Time allotted is a 50 minutes. Cost is free. Delivery method is a online proctorate. And this one is prerequisite is none and result is scoring 5 points of each question, 60 point and above to pass, means you have to correct the 15 question on out of 20 question to pass this exam. So prepare for this exam, so you can go for the self-paced course, hands-on labs are there, and the certificate. So your certificate will be looks like this. So TiDB and other details are there, your name will be there and TiDB practitioner. So issue that date and your certificate number will you will get. So and more TiDB certification is there, associate certificate is there, there is a $100 price is there. This TiDB SQL developer is 100 db 100 dollar of 100, and this one professional database administrator is dollar of 240. So this is the other certifications are there. Here we'll start with the free for this one. So click on the register now. So exam PingCAP certified TiDB practitioner. So this is the exam code and this course award a certificate. So complete the course and get it. So this is the process. So before that you can get into the course. So you have to sign in or sign up. So click on sign in, or you can go with the sign up option also. So you have to provide your name, your email address, username and password. Then other details are there. Just like I'm going to pass with the mm, one more other account. Country detail and your phone number, company name, and click on create account. Now let me check with the sign up. So you can sign up with the this one Google account and GitHub and Microsoft also, and you can provide the other detail. So I'm going to sign up with the Google. So go with your email address, continue, So agree the term and condition, get started. So now click on register now, get into the course, sign in. Already you just now is sign in, but this is not taking. So we are logged in. Okay. So you'll get your basic information and you have to provide your phone number. And now again, let me go through this course. So got it. So click OK. My training. Okay, fill the required field to complete. So I'm putting my phone number, save changes, and this is the my course. So click here. You have to complete all the things, and finally you have an exam, and you will get a certificate like this. So this is the process. So how to get become a certified TiDB practitioner. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and information purpose under the fair use section 107 copyright act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I'll reply personally. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.